Hey everyone, Eddie Munoz here with LocknCharge. Just wanted to show you our new smart locker kiosk system that we just launched. We're making it really simple for students, teachers, to get a loaner device, to drop off or pick up a device for repair, and also to charge those devices that need charging when they need it. So let's take a quick look here and we'll walk through an example here. So now let's say you have a broken device, you want to drop it off to get repaired. So walk up to the kiosk, select repairs, drop off for repair, enter your device ID here, hit next, and then you can indicate what's wrong with that device. Just say broken screen. We're going to drop that off in this bay that popped open. Go ahead and close that up, and now you can get your repair done. You'll be notified when it's ready to come back and pick up. Okay. So thank you so much for taking a few minutes to learn more about our new FUYL Tower Smart Locker kiosk system. Reach out to us directly if you have questions, your account executive, your channel manager, or go to LocknCharge.com and take a look. Reach out if you want more information or want to set up a call to discuss that.